National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for eastern Warren County, northwestern Halifax County, until 1 p.m. at 12:20. East of Warrington. Big thunderstorm include Arcola, Maddox Mountains. Source. Chance of rain 50%. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. The lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Littleton around 12:50. For severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Take cover now. Till 1 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Halifax, and Warren. For outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Halifax, and Warren.